Creating a project in Wrike is a systematic process that involves a series of steps to set up tasks, assign responsibilities, and organize work efficiently. Here's a concise guide. Log into Wrike. Begin by logging into your Wrike account using your credentials. Navigate to workspace or folder. Once logged in, navigate to the workspace or folder where you want to create the project. Click on Plus New Project. Within the selected workspace or folder, find the Plus New Project button. Click on it to initiate the project creation process. Fill in the project details. A window will appear where you can fill in project details such as the project name, description, and any additional information. Set up project hierarchy. Organize your project by creating folders, tasks, and subtasks. Break down the project into manageable components. Assign team members. Assign team members to the project by adding their names to the relevant fields. Clarify roles and responsibilities. Set due dates and milestones. Establish due dates for tasks and set milestones to track progress and deadlines effectively. Use custom fields. If your project requires custom fields for specific details, fill them in to enhance organization and categorization. Add attachments and descriptions. Include relevant attachments, files, or descriptions to provide context and guidance for team members. Save and begin work. Once all details are filled in, click Save to create the project. Begin adding tasks and collaborating with your team.